Hi, Chili Peppers. This is your English teacher just checking in on this very important day. I hope you all know whose birthday is today. Do we know whose birthday is today? This guy! That's right, the bard himself, Shakespeare! Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Shakespeare! You wrote great poetry and sonnets, which are poetry, and plays too. Okay, so just wanted to let you know that. And if you are interested, there is a museum called the Folgers Shakespeare Library that is a really amazing Shakespeare uh, location in DC. It's closed now, of course, but should you want to go there, they have an amazing site with all kinds of things to do with Shakespeare, especially today. It's Shakespeare's birthday at home, and they have all kinds of different items that you can do on the site. You can record a speech, strike a pose, make a picture, write a sonnet, just fun. So if you want looking for something to do today to honor the bard, and we will be reading his sonnets and hopefully Twelfth Night at some point. I'm going to try to figure out how we can do that. So go ahead over to the site. I'll put the link on Classroom. Take care and do your lesson work for the week. Bye.